In this video, I will be showing you how to make a logo in Canva. Let's get started. I start on the Canva homepage and move my cursor up to the top right corner to click on Create a Design. In the search bar, I type logo and select the standard logo template, which opens a fresh blank canvas in a new browser editor tab. Once the editor loads, I head over to the left sidebar and click on Elements. In the search box, I type logo and press Enter. I then switch to the Graphics tab, scroll down through the options, and click on a soft beige circular graphic. I drag its corner handles outward to expand and center the circle on the workspace. Next, I select a thin, dark circular ring frame from the graphics panel and place it directly over the beige background. I stretch its corner handles to align with the outer border, then click the transparency icon on the top toolbar and lower the opacity to around 40% for a subtle blend. Now, I clear the search box, type coffee mug sticker, and scroll down through the graphics to find a cozy coffee mug illustration featuring text. I click to add it to the canvas, center it inside our circular base, and scale it up. To make it pop, I click Edit Image on the top bar, scroll down to Shadows in the side panel, and select the outline effect. Next, I search for coffee stickers in the Elements tab. I scroll down through the graphics options and select a brown cursive coffee text sticker. I drag it down near the bottom curve of the circular frame and adjust its scale so it fits proportionally. Browsing through the Magic Recommendations panel on the left, I find a cute small heart graphic. I place it on the bottom right side of the logo, scale it down, and click the color tile on the top toolbar to change its color to a warm brown shade that matches our coffee theme. To finish up, I pick another sticker reading, "But first coffee," from the side menu. I place it near the top left side of the mug, scale it down, and rotate it counterclockwise at an angle. I click Edit Image again, return to the Shadows menu, and apply an outline effect to give it a clean, finished look. Finally, I collapse the left side panel so we can review the completed logo design in full view. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to make logo in Canva.